Chika Ike, would you please leave my daughter and her husband alone? Do you want me to kneel down and beg you? Hey, there is Wahala in Paradise. Welcome to Linda's TV show. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or stopping by, you are highly welcome. I beg you for a favor. Click on that red button that says subscribe. Beside the red button is a notification bell. The essence of the bell is for you to get notified each time or day I upload a new video so that you will be the first person to check it out. My returning subscribers, those who keep on watching, sharing, commenting, I appreciate you all. You guys keep me going. Without you, I will not be here. So guys, this matter is still going on. This matter, any day you want to rest, they will bring up one in order to distract you. Anyway, they are creating jobs for me. So I made a video previously where about 2 videos about Chika Ike and Regina Daniels and Ned Nwoko and Rita Daniels, that is Regina Daniels' mother. Before I proceed, I would like to introduce these 3 people to you, or 4 rather. The man there, of course, you guys know him, is Ned Nwoko, and the lady at the middle is Chika Ike, popular Nollywood actress, and the young lady with tears on her eyes is our Regina Daniels. The woman down is Regina Daniels' mother. Like you guys all know that Ned Nwoko is a lawyer, a politician, and a businessman as well. So due to his political ambition, he wants to contest for, I don't know the particular post, but he is a politician and he is not famous. Believe me, if you are not famous, it will be difficult for you to win for any post in Nigeria as long as I am concerned. So Ned, in his quest for this, his political ambition, was looking for somebody who is popular, a figure, a star, who will help him to bring him out. So he first had something with Chika Ike. Chika Ike do not want to come out publicly. She doesn't want anybody to know that she is having an affair with this man. They were doing it secretly until Ned got tired of Chika and switched over to Regina Daniels, spoiled her with money, gift, material things, and Regina Daniels accepted to marry him by bringing him out. You guys may know or might have seen that ever since Ned got married to Regina Daniels seems to dominate every part, every single activities of Ned Nwoko. And I think this was what made the co-wife to be angry with her when she wanted her not to go closer to her children again, maybe because of how Regina Daniels is, domineering Ned Nwoko. And one thing they failed to understand that Regina Daniels is still a kids. Yes, despite the fact that she married Ned, she is still a baby. Most of the things she does, she do not know the implication or the seriousness of it. She's just enjoying her life as a young girl. Now, Chika Ike couldn't give Ned Nwoko what he was looking for, and Ned switched to Regina Daniels, who provided everything that's looking for. Now, Chika Ike still wants to maintain her position. Guys, is this possible? Is this possible? That is why I bring it here now for us to discuss. Somebody comes to you and said, okay, can you do this for me? Let me do the other one for you. You said yes, but you want to do it privately, secretly. And the person said, I don't want secret something, because Ned was looking for popularity. He wants people to know him so that whenever he's contesting for any post, they will vote for him. And you don't want, because you don't want people to criticize you. You don't want people to say that you left your husband because of Ned. You don't want people to say you married someone somebody that is older than you. You don't want people to say that you love material things, but you love his money. Now, this little girl have sacrificed her life, everything, to bring this man out, and you are still wanting to maintain your position. Come to think of it, they are both married. Before, Regina Daniels' mother kept deaf ear to this, but I think because of the videos and the news flying all over the internet, she have to come out today to address to Chika Ike, where she said, please let them be. They are married. They are married, despite the fact that people keep on blaming me, the mother, of selling my daughter off to Ned because of his money. I am still battling with that, and you are coming up with your own again. She said, I beg you in the name of God and anything you worship to allow them be. Just move on with your life. If you are having anything with my daughter's husband, let it be private. Do not make it public. I saw a lot of video where people said you declared Ned as national cake. You can collect your own, but do not make it public. So guys, what do you think? Is this act good? Regina Daniels, I think she did a very good thing to Ned by bringing him up. It's not easy. She sacrificed her life and her youthful age, what she should have been enjoying now. She left all of them for this man in order to bring the man up, and also for the man to satisfy her material urge, of which Chika Ike didn't accept to do. It was rumored during that period, even when Ned have not even gotten married to Regina Daniels, that Chika Ike and Ned is having something. Then nobody knows Ned properly because of the. Do you know what Chika Ike have? Chika Ike have many things. So she is a rich woman, and I think she have gotten enough now. She's very rich. Let her just, allow Regina Daniels and Ned to enjoy themselves. And again, I want to tell us something, especially our young ladies who wants to be in Nollywood industry, thinking that all this money that they are flaunting on social media, especially on Instagram, that they are making it from movie. No, although they are being paid, like Mercy Johnson, who is now very popular, and Iniedo, Genevieve, all these popular people, yeah, they make money, but the small ones that are still coming out, they are not making much. It was Anita Joseph who reviewed this secret during the interview with BBC Igbo, where she said that the young girls in movie industry, they are being paid, but they have one bobo, one young handsome rich man outside there that is supporting them with some certain money. Then when they flaunt it, you may think that this money is being made through the roles they play in movie. So if you are wishing to enter into Hollywood industry because of the money, you will be disappointed because they have another source for their money. So now I bring this here. Let's discuss together. What do you think? Is what Chika Ike doing right or wrong? Please write it down below my comment section. And the mother's action, is it good? As a mother, of course, that is what you should do. As a reasonable mother would see any of her children passing difficulty and she will not react. I think this is what Rita Daniels, that is Regina Daniels' mother, is trying to do here. She is pleading, she is begging. Despite I know many of you may say Regina is not the first person everybody comes to grab. I don't think that Regina Daniels is here to grab, because Ned is satisfying her everything she needs. Do you see the wristwatch she's putting on? That wristwatch worth 3.something million naira. So I don't think she will run away anytime soon, because Ned, as a politician and as a wise man, initiated her into that Otudo group. That group is a very strong group that you cannot just come into and you run away. It will not be possible for Regina Daniels to run away from Ned. It's only when Ned is no more. As long as Ned is alive, healthy and sound, Regina Daniels must, this is a must, be there. So guys, let's discuss, comment, share, subscribe, and let me see what you think about this video. Bye bye. Like it. Bye bye.